Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate boutique clothing orders via WhatsApp. So I run a boutique and want to automate clothing orders, size selection and payment collection via WhatsApp. So for that I am going to build a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to save my time by reducing manual workload. So firstly in this video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this chatbot or this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate boutique clothing orders via WhatsApp. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the flow I have created for creating the chatbot, and this chatbot is going to respond to your customer queries 24/7 and your customers can place their orders anytime and anywhere. So now I am going to show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow. But before that I am going to show you the real working of this WhatsApp chatbot. So now let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I am going to enter a message that is I need to buy a dress, and as I have entered this message I am getting a welcome message which says hi, welcome to Style Hub Boutique, trendy outfits, timeless sarees and must have accessories all in one place. What would you like today? And here we are getting a button that is view collections. So now let's click over this button, and as I have selected this button I am getting a message which consists of the list. So now let's open this list and see the products, and here you can see I am getting 3 products. So now I am going to select this first product, that is dresses, and as I have selected this product then I am getting an image with a caption dress, and here I am getting a button also that is buy now. So now let's click over this buy now button, and as I have selected this buy now button I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So now let's provide our full name here. So here I am going to enter my full name as testing user, and as I have provided my full name I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my delivery address. So here I am going to enter my delivery address as Bhopal, and as I have entered my address I am getting a message which is asking me to choose my size. So here I am going to enter the size as medium, and as I have provided the size I am getting a message for making the payment with a button that is pay now. So now let's click over this pay now button, and as I have made the payment I am getting an order confirmation message. So here you can see our WhatsApp chatbot is working properly and even sending the media messages also, which is going to enhance your users experience and enhance your business also. So you can also create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So for that you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing the chatbot. And if you already have an existing account you can simply click over the sign in. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to the Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account on Pabbly Chatflow. And once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see we are getting the products provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these products, and as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow. So now let's click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And here on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. So if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we firstly have to create a flow. So for that you simply have to click over the flow flows given on the sidebar. And if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now let's click over this flows given here, and as you will click over the flows, you will be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. So you can also create your own flow. So for that you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page where you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow names. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I have provided the name Automate Boutique Clothing Orders via WhatsApp, and here you can see we are getting the option for trigger. So trigger is basically the action which is going to initiate our chatbot, and on this trigger we are getting trigger events such as keyword regex match, user start conversation, template selected, and many more. But here I am going to select the same, that is keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering what is this keyword and regex. So keywords are the words which are going to initiate our chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word order. So for that you simply have to type that word and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. And here I have added one more keyword, that is dresses, and afterwards we are getting the option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message you can enter regex like this. But here as I have already added the keyword, I will be removing these regex from here. So here as I have removed my regex, we are done with this trigger. Now I am going to send a welcome message to my customers. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for text button. So by selecting text button you will be getting this message node where you can enter the message which you want to send to your customers or the client. So now let's enter a welcome message here. So here you can see I have entered this welcome message for my customers, and afterwards I am going to add some buttons to this message. So for that you simply have to click over this add button, and here I am going to enter the title of my button. So here you can see I have created my button also. Now as soon as someone select this button, I am going to provide them the list of the products. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting this list node where you can create your own list for the products. And here on this list node it is asking me to enter header, body, and footer for the list. So now let's provide a body to our list here. So here you can see I have provided a body to my list. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to add section title. So you just have to click over this add section, and here you have to enter the section title. So here I am going to enter my section title as product. So with this we have created our one section for the products. Now I am going to add some items to this list or this section. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your first item. So now let's enter the title and create our first item of the list. So here you can see I have created the first item of my list. Now likewise I am going to create some more items to this list. So here you can see I have added two more items to my list, that is tops and saris. So with this we are done with our list. Now I want to save the response of my customers if they select any of these items. So for that we have to provide the contact custom field to all these items. So you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for set custom field. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting this contact custom field action where you can create your own contact custom field, and by the help of that contact custom field you can save the response of your customers. So here I am going to firstly connect this dresses item with this contact custom field, and here in this action node it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. So you can also create your own contact custom field. For that you simply have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So you just have to select it, then you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened, and here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. And if you want to create your own field you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to enter the field name, and afterwards you simply have to click over the save button, and your contact custom field will be created. And as I have already created my contact custom field, I am going to select my contact custom field over the Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as product. So here you can see I am getting this contact custom field, so I will be just selecting it, and afterwards I have to enter the value for which I am setting this contact custom fields. So here I am setting this contact custom field for this first item, that is dresses. So here I am going to enter my value as dresses. So here you can see I have entered the value. So with this we have created the contact custom field for the first item. Now I am going to create contact custom field for the rest of the items of the list. So here you can see I have created the contact custom field for both these items, that is tops and saris. So with this we have created the contact custom field for all these items of the list. Now as soon as my user selects any of these items, I am going to provide them image of this item with a button for buying that product. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for media. So by selecting media, you can provide any type of media such as audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. And here I am going to provide the image of this item. So for that I am going to select my media type as image, and afterwards it is asking me to drag or drop the file here or paste the URL. So here I am going to drag the file. So you just have to click over this button and you will be landed to my picture section where you can see the image named as dress. So here I am going to select it, and as I have selected the image, I have already got the URL for this image, and now I am going to provide a caption to this image, and afterwards I am going to create a button that is buy now. So here I am going to enter the caption that is dress. So here I am done with my caption. Now I am going to add a button that is buy now. So here you can see I have created my button also. Now I am going to do the same for all the items of the list. So here you can see I have provided the image and this buy now button for all these items, that is saris, tops and dresses. Now as soon as someone selects any of these items, I am going to ask them some questions regarding their address or the full name for placing the order. So for that you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So you just have to select it and you will be getting this question node where you can enter the question which you want to ask from your customers. So here I am going to enter a question asking for the full name. So now let's enter our question over here, but firstly let's connect this buy now button with this question node, and I am going to do the same for all these 3 buy now buttons. Now as soon as someone select any of the buy now button, they will be redirected to this question. So here I am going to enter my question. So here you can see I have entered a question asking for the full name, and now I am going to select my contact custom field as full name, which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to select my format as any. So here you can see I have entered my first question. Now likewise I am going to add some more question. So here you can see I have entered 2 more question where I am asking for the delivery address, where I have selected the contact custom field as address and the format as any, and afterwards I have entered a question asking for the size, where I have selected the contact custom field as size. So with this we are done with our all questions. Now I am going to provide a payment message to my customers. So for that you simply have to drag and drop and select text button over here, and afterwards I am going to create a button that is pay now on that message note. And here I have entered a message which says please proceed to pay to confirm your order for dollar product. So dollar product is the contact custom field which we have recently selected for the list items. So now as soon as someone selects any of these list items, the response will be replaced in this message, and we will be able to send personalized message to our customers for enhancing their experience. Now I am going to add a button that is pay now. So here you can see I have created this button that is pay now. Now as soon as someone select this button, I am going to provide them a confirmation message. So for that let's drag and drop and select text button over here, and here I am going to enter a confirmation message. So here you can see I have entered this message that is your order is confirmed, we will deliver it soon. So here you can see we have successfully created the flow for creating the chatbot, and we have provided the media messages also which consist of the image of the product. So here we are done with the creation of the flow. Now we just have to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button, and as you will click over the save button you will be getting this pop-up which says flow updated successfully, means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take it towards my inbox section. For that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and as you will click over the inbox you will be landed to the inbox page, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I am successfully receiving message from my customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through a flow, means if a user sends us a message we are going to send them a welcome message, and afterwards if my user selects this button that is view collection, we are going to provide them the list of the products. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. So you can also create this amazing chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow for enhancing your business and enhancing your users experience also. So what are you waiting for? So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing chatbots like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want to practice this flow, you can find link in the description given below. And you can also share that link to your friends so that they can also know about this amazing tool that is Pabbly Chatflow for automating their all tasks. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.